In this video, we'll show you how to download and install ChatGPT on your computer. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a powerful AI tool that offers a wide range of features, and having it installed on your computer makes it more convenient to access. To get started, open the Microsoft Store on your computer. Click the search bar at the bottom and type Microsoft Store to open it. Once in the store, click on the search icon at the top and type ChatGPT into the search bar. You should see the app appear in the results. Click on it, then select Get on the left side of the page to begin the download. The installation process won't take long. Once the app is installed, you can click Open. If you already have an account, log in. If not, click Sign Up to create one. After logging in, you'll see a helpful shortcut option, Alt+Space, that you can enable if desired. For now, I'll select Not Now, and you can start using ChatGPT. You can ask questions and explore the tools available at the bottom, and you can also open the sidebar for more options. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more helpful guides.